The ants and the grasshopper. One bright day, in late autumn, a family of ants were bustling about in the warm sunshine, drying out the grain they had stored up during the summer, when a starving grasshopper, his fiddle under his arm, came up and humbly begged for a bite to eat. "What?" cried the ants in surprise. "Haven't you stored anything away for the winter? What in the world were you doing all last summer?" "I didn't have time to store up any food," whined the grasshopper. "I was so busy making music that before I knew it, the summer was gone." The ants shrugged their shoulders in disgust. "Making music, were you?" they cried. "Very well, now dance." And they turned their backs on the grasshopper and went on with their work. Lesson of the story. Pelajaran dari ceritanya, there's a time for work and a time for play. Ada waktu untuk bekerja dan ada waktunya untuk bermain. Now let's learn your vocabulary. Sekarang mari kita belajar kosakata baru. Are you ready? Apa kamu siap? Autumn, autumn. Musim gugur. Bustling about. Bergegas atau buru-buru. Drying out, mengeringkan. Stored up, menyimpan. Starving, kelaparan. Wind, merengek. Shrugged, mengangkat bahu. Disgust, rasa jijik atau muak atau sebal. Turned back, berpaling.